Hi there, I'm Corryn from Milk and Love, and today I wanted to share with you the Aroma Snooze Diffuser from Lively Living that we sell here at Milk and Love. It's super popular with new mums and with people who are having trouble with sleep. So there's 3 different functionalities on the Aroma Snooze, and I'll just quickly go through them so that you understand what they are. The first button is the main on-off switch, which is controlling the oil diffusion. So inside, the water vibrates and lets out a mist that has the essential oil in them. So when you press it once, it turns it on full, and if you press it a second time, it turns it on to intermittent, so it takes a bit longer and it switches itself on and off. The second button here is the light button. The first time you press it, it puts it on a cycle of red and orange colours, which is good for sleep and for promoting melatonin, the hormone that helps to encourage sleep. If you press it a second time, it will fix it onto the colour that it's currently on when you press it. If you press it again, it changes to the full spectrum of light, which is quite nice if it's on during the daytime and you just want something that looks nice with the light. And again, you can press it to fix it on a particular shade. So that's nice if you have a particular colour that you like. And then if you press it again, it turns the light off. The last 3 buttons are for the sound. The button with a little note on it is the one that you press to choose what sound you want. There are 5 different soundtracks already on there, and you just continue to press it until you get to the one that you want. I quite like the one that sounds like the rain, which is that one, which is quite nice. So that's what I normally have it on at night time. The last 2 buttons here turn the volume up and down, so I can turn it all the way down or all the way up. I'll just turn it back off. You can also record your own sound, so yourself singing a lullaby or making a shh sound, which some people prefer, and just it will play that back on a loop, which is also nice if that's your preference. The maximum volume is at the level that's recommended to avoid any hearing damage with babies, so that's why it doesn't go any louder than that. And I quite like having it on quite a low volume through the night, just to help myself and my 18-month-old sleep a bit better at night. Now, they do recommend not to use essential oils for babies that are under 3 months old, so just remember not to use the essential oil, just use water in it. And then you can start adding essential oils once your baby is 3 months old. So that's the Aroma Snooze. The other thing to note is that when the diffuser is on, if it runs out of water, it will switch off the light as well. So you can do it without the diffuser on and just have the light and the sound. Or you can have it with the water in there and then it will switch off the light when it runs out of water. Make sure as well that you don't fill it past the max line, because that will it won't start. That's a little safety feature in the Aroma Snooze, so just don't overfill it. I hope you love the Aroma Snooze if you've bought one, and do let us know in the review comments what you think. Thank you.